Here I've got LG K11 and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick General if you are not in this tab, scroll down, then go to Smart Doctor, and as you can see, you can start with optimizing your phone by tapping on Optimize Phone right here. Now just wait a couple of seconds. And this is it. As you can see, your phone has been optimized, and now we can go to, for example, test hardware. So if any issues will be detected, then you will be able to get rid of them. Let me test all of the features by tapping on Test All. And as you can see, all hardware is working fine, so we do not have to perform any other actions, and then just click on Diagnose. And as you can see, battery, apps, internal storage and networks have been diagnosed, and here you've got the results. You can come along with the details by tapping on Learn Now. And this is it. So you can, for example, switch off check automatically or auto-install updates if you want to. Just by tapping on the switcher you can do it to make your phone work a bit faster. So this is it. This is how you can optimize your phone. This is how you can speed it up. Also, you can activate battery saver if you want to. And then for some extreme situations, if you need your battery to last way longer, just pick Extend or Maximum Power Saving Mode. Let me pick Extended. And now you will be able to use your device a bit longer. So this is it. This is how you can optimize your phone, how you can speed it up. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.